Hey, if you're thinking about buying a house in Greenville, especially as an investment, here's some market information you really should know about home price growth and what we're expecting to see in the future. So, here's a chart that shows you what all of the different economists are saying about home price growth nationwide. These are forecasts for this current year, 2026. So, no surprise, the realtors are super bullish, and you've got some really bearish predictions as well, but they're averaging out to 2.3%. Now, that's nationwide. Here in the upstate, here in Greenville, we're a top 10 market in a lot of ways. Top 10 for retirees, top 10 for relocations, and we're also seeing a ton of growth here in general. So I would expect us to exceed some of these national averages just based on what we're seeing. But here's my word of caution for anybody, whether you're buying a house for yourself or especially as an investment. What's gonna save you is the equity position you have in that property. And here's a fun fact, nationwide, the average equity position is $311,000. Yes, homeowners are rich, and a lot of them have gained that equity over the last 5 years. Many of them just have the home paid off in cash. There's a lot of homeowners out there who don't have a mortgage at all, so they don't care about the current interest rate environment. The thing I'm seeing a lot of right now, where I'm seeing folks get into trouble or have a tight situation, are investors who spread themselves into too many deals with too little equity. That creates a problem pretty quickly because these are businesses and they have expenses. And if you can't cover the expenses and you got to liquidate or adjust, equity is what saves you. And the same thing for a lot of normal homeowners who are buying properties and then life's coming at them fast. They're making a quick change. They have to sell a year later. Sure, you could put a bigger down payment on that house to have more equity, but it's just the same. You're going to take an L or break even at best on a lot of those sales. That's where I'm seeing the most people have the most problems. It's people buying property of short-term plans without enough equity. So if you're out there shopping, if you're out there working with us at Bird Dog Group, what we really want to focus on, if your plans are unpredictable, let's do what we can to make the right offer to get you equity in that property from day one. That's what I'm personally doing as a real estate investor. I'm much more conservative in my offers right now, and I'm making sure if I buy a property, I'm getting lots of equity day one. That's what gives you options to buy, to resell, to refi, to do whatever you need to do. So make sure you proceed with that caution and make sure you understand that more than likely home prices will keep going up.